Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins and many more important updates. So make sure to stick until the end to not miss any important information. Now without further ado, let's jump straight into the charts and see what the heck is happening to Bitcoin. Now, as we can see, Bitcoin just sitting around here above this white trend line here that's still trying to break down, but it's still holding. Also, now we're sitting at $41,205. That's quite well. The fact that we didn't go farther down below, it's quite positive, but in my opinion, we will probably drop a little lower. So the next price target would be, I think, the blue line here at 40,300, and the next one would be the red dotted line here at 38,432. Even if that happens, don't get scared. It's very normal for dips like this in the crypto market. We had so many dips like this before, guys, and the people who were patient and waited for this kind of dips, as I was telling you in all my videos before, I always mentioned you take profits and wait for better entries. I say it literally at the end of every video. That's why it's so important to take profits and wait for a better entry, because the market is very volatile, and in most of the cases we have some kind of retracement, and this kind of retracements happen very quick. That's why make sure to subscribe, watch the videos always until the end, and pay attention to my entry points. I always show you the target zones and good support zones where we can enter the market very nice and make very good profits like that. Now let's go back to the charts and see where would be the nice entry. So we have here one nice entry point and 40,400 for Bitcoin. Then we have another very nice entry point here at 38,384. And if we go below this red dotted line here, which was a very strong support zone here, as we can see, upwards support trend line. Now we would probably go to the $32,000 area where we had these big troubles of breaking out of before. So as you know, resistance becomes the new support zone. So here I would put some market orders just a little bit above that, because it doesn't have to mean that we're gonna touch exactly. Usually just wicks down a little bit and then starts going up again. Like for example, let me quickly show you some other dips in the past. Like for example here, let me quickly show you. So we have this dip right here. We went from 25,000 down to 19,000, and if we take the measurement tool, let's say here from 19,000 back above here, this was just 9 days, guys, 10 days, 46%. Do you see this? 46%, just because you were patient and waited for the nice retracement to buy. And this happens like a lot of, like even here on a smaller dip, let's quickly take it from here to 1 second, from here to here, that's 10%, guys, 10% profits just because you wait. That's why I usually recommend you take profits and wait for a better entry point, especially in this kind of momentum market right now, I would call it, because the market has been just going up for the past couple of months already. So it's very important to take some profits and wait for better entry points, especially on altcoins, because altcoins, for example, let me quickly jump over maybe to one of our favorite altcoins right now, which is Chainlink. And Chainlink looks like it's about to, here Chainlink, it broke down now of this level here, the ascending wedge right here. We broke down, and now we have to look for another pattern that we can find in this chart. But for now, the next support zone, I think, in my opinion, would be $12. It's a very strong support zone, in my opinion. Here, let's actually $11.82.5. Here, I'm going to draw a dotted horizontal line. Here, the blue line is the strongest support right here. And before that, we have this support zone here where we can open a nice trade. So if we touch this point, as you can see here, I have the trade ready, the trading setup. If once we touch this point, I'm going to open a very nice long at $13. And in my opinion, it's probably going to go either to $17, $18, or we will go back to the support zone and then go back up again. Both scenarios are very, very possible. That's why I put a stop loss below this support zone. Very important. That's why technical analysis is very important to learn and to know in the financial markets. Now let's see what else do we have here. We have Coinbase, $140, still going up a little bit. We have Pepe, retraced a little bit, 3.6% down. Then we have Aptos at $8. I might buy some more Aptos. I bought Aptos back in January. I think it was like $3 something, and now we're sitting at $8. That's quite great. Monero doing also quite well. What else do we have here? We have the stock market, which is not really moving, staying stable. Apple 194, Tesla 237, Nasdaq almost 1% up. And we have Dogecoin, guys. And Dogecoin, I think, has some nice potential. Like if we will go back to this support zone here where we had already 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points, and even you could even count this one. So 5 touch points here. Let me quickly actually draw it a little bit more like this. Yeah, as we can see here, we had so many touch points. I think this resistance and that this support zone will hold most probably. So I will open definitely a trade from here. The risk to reward ratio is quite high. I would let's actually just open it right now. Here we can open it from here. Let's say at 780, and I would do it just like I would put the support below this strong support here at $6.50, and my take profit I would put it at even higher actually, but let's put it at the previous high from this month. So here we have a risk to reward ratio trade for 2.4, quite well, but actually you could even go a little bit more conservative with the stop loss. So you could wait, I will open it from here, and the stop loss I would put it probably just below this week actually. So right now we have the risk to reward ratio 3.86. That's a quite nice trade. I will probably take it. I will just open the orders after this video. Besides that, what do we have? We have most markets down a little bit today, 5% down, 3-4% down. Most of the altcoins are down a little bit. Bitcoin just managed to go back above the $4,000 to $1,000 area just a couple minutes ago. Ethereum also up $20 since the last time I watched it. And on Ethereum here we have this big support zone here at 2021. Here we also have the red dotted line here. This was a very strong resistance, as you remember from my previous videos from the past weeks. 2150 was a very strong resistance that became now support. Let's see, it already held it here 2 times. So let's see if it will hold in the future. Also, if not, we'll probably retrace down to $2,000.20. If we manage to go back up again, the next price target would be 2,373. So let's see what will happen next. Yeah. Then we have Sui, 62 cents. Let's see if Sui is a good buy right now. Sui looks actually also quite well. We have a very nice trend line here. Look at this. This is almost like a diagonal uptrend here. So it looks very nice. If you manage to hold this, I'll probably even open a trade on Sui. Looks very juicy. Like, look at this. You could take the trade, and let me quickly adjust the stop loss for you. So I would put the stop loss probably below here, and take profit I would put it right around this. So you have a 2.2 risk to reward ratio, quite nice for such a nice altcoin, and you can put the stop loss here right below at 53 and see what will happen. In my opinion, I think this looks very bullish to me. I mean, we're just creating higher highs, and no lower lows on Sui. I'll probably just open this trade. Looks like a perfect setup. Now, let's see what else we have here. I think that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. That's very important, and stick, always watch the videos until the end. I give a lot of alpha even at the end of the video. So the guys and ladies which had the patience and waited to watch until the end, they probably took some profits and are ready to enter the market at a lower discount now. Congratulations to all of you if you're watching me, and follow my advice. Now, if you're a professional trader, down below there are two links, one from Bybit and one from Maxi. On Bybit, you can get up to $30,000 sign-up bonus. On Maxi, you can get up to $20,000 sign-up bonus. So make sure to take advantage of this amazing opportunity only with my links down below. Besides that, I want to remind you once again, don't forget to take profits. The most important rule, in my opinion. And with this, I'm going to say bye-bye for today. See you all again tomorrow.